Hey there guys, Andrea Cox here, intuitive healer, holistic wellness coach here in my kitchen. Happy Veterans Day. I have some errands to run today, but I wanted to share something with you. I was getting ready to leave the house and I thought, why not just share it with my people? So I like really slow mornings. I usually get up, I make some lemon water, usually have it in a mug, and I'll take my dogs out for fresh sunshine and fresh air. And a lot of times I live in my robe until about noon. I love to cleanse my colon, coffee enemas, lemongrass enemas, wheatgrass enemas, probiotic enemas, whatever I choose. And I really love to savor the mornings. I am a morning person and I'm a night owl. What I want to share with you today is after my lemon water, I'm not a coffee drinker. I do run down to the coffee shop down the street once a month, La Buzz, and I get a agave latte. It usually lasts me 3 days because I dull it down with fresh made oat milk or fresh made almond milk. Sometimes I drink it in these little gothic mugs I got at an estate sale years ago. I absolutely love these. But usually after my lemon water, I'll come back here and I've got a little kind of Elixir tonic bar with all the supplements I use. And so those of you who don't know, I only take supplements from 2 companies. I am doing a parasite cleanse right now from Televital, so not counting those, and that is on the blog at andreacox.com. So the 2 companies I love are Juice Plus and Solle Naturals. So what I take from Solle Naturals, I love their adaptable. It basically has rhodiola in it, which is a precursor to dopamine. So I love this adaptogenic blend of herbs. A lot of times I'll do cinnamate. It's a mate with cinnamon in it, so it stabilizes your blood sugar. I really love their maca blend. And before bed, I love Soul Renew. Soul Renew has motherwort in it. So motherwort is like a hug from your mother. It's amazing. It calms you down. So those are the herbs I do from Soul Naturals. Now, with Juice Plus, can't live without this. Rhodiola, lion's mane, ashwagandha, all the adaptogenic herbs. Love this and cannot live without this prebiotic super biome. I take this with my own probiotic and I absolutely love this blend. And then throughout the day, I'll take their superfoods and I just love the gummies. Now, one other thing I love are their omegas. Their omegas have a little shot of nitrogen in them to keep them fresh, and I even rub these on my skin. So if you guys saw, I actually had an accident and ended up in the hospital, and my blood work was absolutely perfect. So even though some things were happening where I had to ward off action and things like that, my blood work was still stellar. So I really feel that that is because of my diet, because of my lifestyle. I've worked out every day for since I was 12 years old. I have always supplemented with whole food supplements and herbs. These 2 companies have that. And I've always cleansed my colon. I've always stayed away from toxic people, toxic inhalants, toxic substances. And I'm pretty proud that at almost half a century young, that was my first hospital trip ever. So other than an elective surgery when I was young, that's pretty great. Listen, I'm going to link everything I have in my stories. You can also check Linktree in my bio and get on my protocol. If you're not signed up for my newsletter at either one of my websites, andreacox.com or the Detox Intuitive, do so because you'll get your free healing protocol. Be well.